Welcome to this Tauri tutorial. Today we're building a Notes app with file system access. You'll learn how to open and save files using Tauri's dialog plugin. Let's verify you have Rust, Cargo, Node, JS, and NPM installed. Everything looks good. Let's create our Notes app. We'll create a new Tauri project in the Code's Tauri folder. We copy our base template and rename it to Notes app. Now we install the dependencies with npm install. Project setup complete. We need two plugins, Dialog for file pickers and FS for file access. We add both using cargo add in the src tauri folder. We also install the npm packages for the front end. Both plugins are now installed and ready to use. Now let's edit the Rust backend to configure our plugins. We add the Dialog plugin for file pickers. We also add the FS plugin for file system access. These plugins handle file reading and writing securely. The backend is now ready for file operations. Now let's create the front end with a text area and file buttons. We import Open and Save from the Dialog plugin. We also import readTextFile and writeTextFile from the FS plugin. The Open button shows a file picker and loads content using readTextFile. The Save button shows a saved dialog and writes using writeTextFile. Front end complete. Let's see the app in action. Here's our Notes app. Let me demonstrate the file operations. First, I'll use Command O to open a file. The native file dialog lets us pick any text file. Now I can edit the content and use Command S to save. That's file system access in Tauri.